Hey guys, what's up? So in Instagram, if you are looking for this pretty dog filter, okay, to get this filter, what you have to do? Okay, when you go to your camera, make sure you are in reel. Then you will see this effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, this is the effect gallery. Here in the left corner, you will see a search button. Here, search for pretty dog. Okay, and you will see this effect. Just tap on it and you will get the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do? Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.